We're very thankful for the Expo 2020 Dubai and the UAE government for their strong initiative to hold this at this time. So I think in COVID-19 times, I think it was very, very difficult for people to gather physically. And now I think we know that it is very important also to gather together and exchange ideas.
Yeah.
And I think this expo is making it true. Of course, with people's safety first, and they're putting a strong initiative in how to operate safely. And I think everyone is just enjoying once again that it is very important to meet each other in person and exchange ideas.
Yeah.
The opportunity is actually for everyone to participate. It's not only about Japan showing its history, culture, and innovation. Of course, we have a lot that we want to share, but also we want to have your ideas. So with our smartphone, it guides you personally, it captures your interests, and it creates a real-time graphic art. But it is also a device that you can use to share your ideas.
Yeah.
And why is that we're holding an expo in 4 years to come, Expo 2025 Osaka, Kansai, Japan. And if you leave your message, you will be participating in the next expo with us because we're going to study your ideas, issue, or challenges that you shared with us to make a better world. We will have 4 years to work together. I think Dubai being a country of the dream come true, making impossible to possible, we have a lot of learnings that we are doing in every day in this expo. And it's not only about our learning, but as I said, it's about learning from everyone. So if everyone shares their experience of what they have thought in the expo, we will take it for the next 4 years to make it into a better world. So I think it is a very, very important opportunity for everyone and to share ideas and work together for the next expo. So traditionally, of course, we have a long relationship in the energy sector, but recently, when we look at the space area, it is a very, very important relation that we are now doing further. Like the 2018 Halifa satellite is carried by the Japanese rocket. So this is like one of the new areas that we're working together, and we're looking much more to further enhance the relation in the economic sector as well. I think it's important that we have a mutual understanding. For example, a Japanese company who wants to operate in the UAE markets, they have a partner in the UAE company. And it is within their both interests. It's not only one's interest, but it's in their both interests. For example, then they can work together to also enter into another emerging market as well. So if we have one has a strong point and the other has a strong point and we mix it together, we have a lot of opportunities to penetrate a lot of markets that we haven't entered in before. So the global challenges is one of the topics that we're also talking in our pavilion. And the strong message that we wanted to share is that it is our problem, it is each and everyone's problem, and we have to each think seriously. But if we only think it by ourselves, we will not have an innovative idea. So the point is that we share our ideas. So that's what we're trying to do in our pavilion. If you have an interest in the forest, the new avatar becomes a green avatar that you have, and at the end you will be able to leave a message for the green forest of what you want to contribute or what you are thinking now about the issue. And if we receive it and if we study it in the next 4 years, we will have a better idea together. So this is important that you share your idea and we study it together because this is how innovation is born. So we welcome every visitors and we want you to share your ideas and let us all work together for the next expo and of course to make a better world together.